gonna spin round, doing cartwheels off the ground. See the color, hear the sound. Woo! Got my heart beating like a drum. Underneath the
Wish lang bilang magulang ay maging, as usual, maging mabuting anak and siguro maging mabuting tao. Dahil kapag mabuting tao ka, everything will follow. May takot sa Diyos.
This is love, this is love. Woo! This is love, love. Woo! I want more, I want more. Woo! Give me more, 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 walking on a dream, jumping up like a trampoline, nothing like I've ever seen.
Kay Alonso, basta ang akin, kasi siyempre lalaki po ako, gusto ko lumaki yung anak ko na may takot sa Diyos. Unang-una, siyempre, alagaan niya, number one, yung nanay niya, tsaka yung kapatid niyang babae. Kasi talagang lalaki yung magdadala sa pamilya.
This is love, this is love. This is love, love. I want more, I want more. Give me more, more, more,
Ang message ko para kay Atasha, pagpatuloy niya lang yung pagiging mabait na bata, yung pagiging active, and ang plano namin para sa kanya is i-mold siya bilang mabuting ate, unang-unang mabuting ate, mabuting anak, and in the future, kung ano magusto niya, susuportahan niya.
Now I see it. This is love, this is love. This is love, love. I want more, I want more. Give me more, more,
Love you, Alonso and Natasha.